Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk you through how to make this teacher themed cupcake topper, which is part 1 in a series of 3 toppers. Okay, so to begin with, I rolled out some white modelling paste, about 2 to 3 millimeters thick, and I'm just going to cut out a square. And then I'm just going to use the edge of that square cutter just to cut out a strip to make it look like an A4 paper shape. Just going to neaten the edges and then leave this overnight to fully dry. Okay, to make the pencil sharpener, I've got a small piece of blue modelling paste which I'm just going to form into a rectangle shape. I'm using my cake smoothers to help get some straight edges. And now I'm just going to use my thumb and finger just to create a little bit of curved indent on the side, which you get on pencil sharpeners. And now I'm just going to use the scriber end of my knife and scriber tool just to go in there and create a hole for the pencil sharpener. Just going to reshape that with my fingers. And now I've just got some grey modelling paste and I'm just going to cut out a strip. I want it to be slightly less in length than the length of my pencil sharpener. Just going to check the length there. It's under half the width as well. I'm just going to stick that into position there. And I'm just going to use my blade tool just to come in and create a little bit of an indent to the side of where the grey modelling paste is. So you've got a little opening there. And now I've just got a little ball of grey modelling paste which I'm going to stick in the middle of the grey paste I've already got on there, and then I'm just going to use my knife tool to create a little bit of a line to look like a screw. And now I'm just going to use my blade tool just to go on each side just to create some little bit of an indent so it like some little grips. And that's the pencil sharpener made. Okay, so to make the pencil, I rolled out a small piece of yellow modelling paste into a tube shape. Just using my cake smoother to help me there. So now I'm just going to come in with my cone tool. I'm just going to push a little indent in there. Hope you can see that. And I've just got a small piece of white modelling paste that I'm forming into a short tube shape to be the rubber on the pencil. Just going to make sure it's the same width before I stick that into position with some clear alcohol, or you could use some edible glue. Okay, so now I've got some grey modelling paste, just a strip that I've cut out, and I'm just going to gently stick that around the top part of the pencil. Just going to trim that there. And now I'm just going to use my blade tool just to go around and create a little bit of a groove. Okay, so now we're doing the top of the pencil, and I've got a little bit of beige modelling paste that I'm rolling into a pointed shape. And I'm just going to have a little bit of a pointed shape on the other end as well, just to fit into the slot that we made earlier. Just checking that for size. Just so you know, everything that I used will be in the description. Just going to stick that in there. Okay, now I'm just going to use my cone tool again just to create a little hole at the top there so I can put a little bit of lead in the pencil. And I'm going to do this by a small ball of dark grey modelling paste. Just going to pop it in there and then just shape it so it's pointed. So the paper part of my topper is now dry, and I'm just going to use some edible pens to draw on the lines, and I'm going to use a cake smoother as a ruler. So I've got my red pen and I'm just going to draw the margin. You can go over it a couple of times, you don't want to press too hard. And now I'm just going to use my blue pen to mark the lines. So it's a bit thicker at the top and then narrower lines going down. And you just keep going all the way down. So once you've finished drawing your lines, you just stick the pencil and pencil sharpener onto the paper and your topper is finished. Okay, I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to check out my other ones. Please comment, like and subscribe for more and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.